Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device, and once you open it up, complete through the basic tutorial levels and you will gain access to the main menu. From this page, in order to change your control settings, just click on Settings. You can also access this menu in the middle of your gameplay from the pause screen. Now from the settings page, just click on Controls, and now you will see various different control settings. You can click on View/Change Bindings in order to change the control settings for specific actions within the game. Just click on whichever control you wish to change and you will be asked to enter the button that you wish to bind for this. After clicking on this button, tap on OK to confirm your choice, and now the control that you have just set will be updated within your game. You can do this with all of the controls and redefine everything to your preference. And after saving your settings, you can go back and start enjoying your game from the play option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.